Good morning. I hope that you are doing well this morning, enjoying your favorite cup of coffee. It really is a cup and it's full. Your cup of tea, or depending on when you are watching this video, maybe you've already transitioned over to water. Let's get into today's video topic. Welcome to my birthday month. Hello. It's not just a day, it is an entire month, and we are going big. I love that September 1st is literally falling on a Monday. One of the things that I want to start with before we dive into all of the goodies is I want to sincerely thank you. I want to thank you for tuning in. I want to thank you for showing up. I want to thank you for inviting me inside of your business, inside of your home, inside of your inbox each and every week to help you streamline your business operations. Everything that is going to be happening this month almost kind of ties all of the past year up with a bow, and it's all based on having conversations with you. So I know that it's hard because we're all virtual, but there is a person on the other side of the screen, and I'm probably the second person behind you who is most excited about helping you streamline your business operations. And in doing so, you're going to achieve your goals. You can close the laptop and you can go out and live the life that you're building your business to support. That is what I'm most excited about. And a sincere thank you to you, because lots of places you could show up on the internet and you're choosing to show up with me here. So I really do appreciate you. So are you ready for the goodies? Now, these goodies are based on conversations with you over years. Now, one of the things that I realized is that probably about last September, I burnt my business down. I was burned out. I'd had a really big year of lots of high highs and a lot of low lows. And it was just time. I almost came back to basic. It was like full circle. And part of that was really streamlining when it comes to fulfillment. So what do we mean by that? It's how we deliver the things that our customers are purchasing from us, whether it was working with one-on-one clients, group coaching, the templates, the memberships. So streamlining what that operation looked like. And for me, what I realized in all of that journey and all of those steps and implementation is that the business really doesn't weigh on me. The business is probably, out of all the things that I'm doing, is the easiest part. I was making transitions amongst really big life transitions. So all of the kids either graduating from high school or graduating from college, becoming an empty nester. And that was full on capacity. I think anyone, just one of those things would have been a really big deal. But it was almost like last year I was standing in front of a fire hydrant and I couldn't turn it off. That just kept going. And so when I burned everything down, one of the things that I really wanted to focus time and attention on were the products, which is now, thank you to the member who said, I need to put together your ecosystem. Oh, I feel very fancy. And how can I further streamline to help get them success? So I've heard you, I see you, and here is what is happening this month. So first things first, affiliate program. I have been asked over the years to launch an affiliate program, and there have just been so many other things that have kind of overshadowed that. But we've been working on it behind the scenes. And when we made the switch to the cart that we're using now, the affiliate program was built in. And I have done affiliates for programs, but I've never done affiliates for the template. And so if you've purchased a template, then you're going to get access to join, if you choose, the affiliate program. Now, when I say that we get emails each and every week or even multiple times a week, that's not to be fancy pants. It's honestly the biggest compliment that you can give us. I know that people are referring folks to us for templates, for coaching, for all kinds of things. But I really want to partner with you. So we're actually going to have a website that's all around our affiliate program. So the way that we're going to roll that out is you will get a notification inside of your dashboard. And so the two products that we are focusing on first is the Business Command Center, because that's where all of our amazing customers start with us, right? Business organization. And then our latest program, which, founding members, y'all, 75 new founding members inside of the AI Command Center. They will get access to a affiliate program as well. It's working in partnership with you to make a greater impact. All right. So that's first things first. Now, the next thing, and I've thought long and hard on how to do this to streamline for customers as well as streamline for myself, because I become very invested in my people. I become very invested in all of my products, and I'm constantly like tweaking and changing, not like big changes, but they're like customer suggestions, customer experience so that you have a good customer experience with us, right? And so one of the questions that comes inside of the inbox weekly, multiple times a week, is do I offer one-on-ones? And I don't. I do, and I won't. I still do not offer one-on-one. But one of the things that I thought would be just a great option is what we're going to call Help Me Rhonda Live. It's literally smaller group coaching, and I'm going to cap each, I'm going to call them pods, 10 apiece, so that you feel seen, you feel heard, and you feel supported. This will be a monthly. You can come in a month and you can cancel. I recommend that at minimum 4 months. That's where I start to see transformation when I am working with business owners. So that is coming. And I really feel it's going to be at a very affordable price. I've been doing low ticket my whole business life. I literally sold used children's clothes. That's what that consignment sale was all about. I am a homeschooling soccer mom. I am very budget conscious. All right. So more details. I'm going to roll that out more right around my birthday. Okay. So it's going to be a first come, first serve. I feel like we're going to start with at least one pod and maybe do 2. So what happens if the pods fill? We'll start a wait list. And as soon as someone drops, we'll go to that wait list first. We'll make that offer, and you can choose. This is no pressure, no sales call. It literally is you choose if you want to do it. Fantastic. All right. And then finally, thank you. Thank you for having conversations with me to let me know what kind of templates that you need. Thank you for having conversations with me and asking me to help you put them together. Part of that could be the Help Me Rhonda live coaching, but I want to do something else, and I'm going to make this a monthly staple. We're going to try it for 90 days and get your feedback and see how it all works, how it all plays out. But once a month, I believe it's going to happen the last week of the month. We are going to do a live workshop where you can come and we will work together to talk about systems, but more importantly, put together the templates that you've purchased and really start optimizing that template ecosystem. Now, I keep referencing templates. I'm talking about the Business Command Center. I'm talking about the Simple Social template and the Client Command Center. There are other products in there, and I can show you how you can incorporate them to get the most out of really a streamlined business operation in the simplest way. I think one of the things that I offer my clients is a framework and a structure. I'm very structured, except my punch needle. I'm not. And as a reward to myself, I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing my biggest project ever. And I've wanted to do this. I know you're going to laugh. You're going to laugh. It is a tree skirt. So a Christmas tree skirt, and it's doves, and it's huge, and I'm losing my mind. I'm so excited to dive into it. That's why we close our laptop so we can go do more of what we love. It's the repetition, and it just calms my brain. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So those are the three things that I'm pulling out of the bag. You're getting the preview. Choose to participate, choose to not to participate. We are back to our regular schedule of each week. I will give members a live video update, what's on my heart, what I've been doing, things behind the scenes. And then two on Tuesday is the Life at a Glance podcast. And we are going to be talking about all things. I think it would be interesting to maybe hear how I've lived in 500 square feet or less than 500 square feet with my husband over the past, I don't know, few months, 6 months, while our house is being rebuilt. And just fun podcast episodes like that. How is it that just balancing life and that the business and the chaos of life, how all of that kind of comes into play. So again, happy birthday. I am really excited. Maggie is coming home. And we are, y'all, do you know what I wanted for my birthday? So I don't know. I know that you have seen the reels and the head spas. And I don't even have long hair, but we have appointments for a head spa. And I am so excited about that. That and a fence. That and a fence are my two birthday wishes. So have an amazing day. Thank you so much again. I sincerely appreciate you. I appreciate you showing up every single week. If there's anything at all that we can do to help, hit reply and let us know. And let the celebration begin. All right. Take care. We'll talk soon.